In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order clothes from Alibaba. First, head to alibaba.com. If you're new, create an account or sign in if you already have one. Take a moment to complete your profile with your country and accurate contact details. This helps suppliers quote shipping correctly and speeds up communication. Next, search for the clothing you want. Type terms like women dress, hoodie, or t-shirt in the search bar. Then refine your results using filters. Turn on trade assurance for payment protection and select verified supplier to focus on established sellers. Choose ready to ship if you need fast delivery, and low MOQ if you're testing small quantities. Open a few listings in new tabs so you can compare prices, minimums, and quality side by side. Before you think about buying, review each listing carefully. Note the MOQ, which stands for minimum order quantity. Check the fabric type and composition, the size chart, and the stitching or print method. Look for customization options like logos, labels, or packaging, and read supplier reviews along with how many years they've been active. Avoid sellers with no reviews or unclear size charts. Now message the supplier. Clothing is all about details, so confirm exact measurements, fabric quality and thickness, available colors, the final price including shipping, and the production time. Ask for real photos or videos of the items so you can see actual fabric texture, stitching, and print quality. Before placing a bulk order, request 1 or 2 sample pieces. When the sample arrives, try it on or measure it to check fit and sizing, feel the fabric, and inspect print or embroidery quality. A small sample cost can save you from expensive bulk mistakes. When you're ready to order, you can use Buy Now, if it's available, or ask the supplier to create an order for you, which is common for apparel. Make sure the order clearly lists your size breakdown, color options, any custom details, and the delivery timeline. Clear written specifics reduce misunderstandings later. Pay safely using trade assurance. You can use a credit or debit card, Alibaba's secure payment, or PayPal with participating suppliers. Never pay outside Alibaba, as that removes your protection. Keep an eye on production and shipping. Track progress in my orders, ask for updates while items are being made, and request the tracking number once it ships. When your items arrive, inspect them right away. Verify sizes and quantities, fabric and stitching quality, prints or logos, and packaging. If anything's wrong, do not confirm receipt. Open a dispute promptly and document the issue clearly.